Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. In this very short video, I'd like to explain to you how you can get the COTbase iCOT intraday indicator for TradingView. So the process is actually very simple and fast. All you need to do is, of course, subscribe. We actually have a very good deal out right now. And of course, you choose TradingView. Once you're there, during the registration process, you have to submit and give your TradingView username. Because if you do so, we can set it up for you, and that's pretty much it. There's no installation or anything. Once that is done, simply log into your TradingView account, and all you need to do, you've got a market in front of you. This is going to be Bitcoin. You have to go to indicators, then go to the invite only scripts, okay? And first you can choose scores and then signals. So there's two components to reach this result. And that is pretty much it. So it's a very short and straightforward process, not too complicated. That's all you need to do to get the COTbase iCOT intraday indicator for TradingView.